Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make an easy roux. A roux is a fundamental cooking technique, combining equal parts fat and flour to create a thickening base. It's incredibly versatile, forming the foundation for countless delicious sauces, gravies, and soups. Understanding the different stages of a roux, from white to dark, will unlock a new level of flavor and texture in your cooking. Let's get started with the basics. Making a perfect roux starts with just two simple ingredients, fat and flour. The key is to use equal parts of each by weight. For your fat, butter is classic for many sauces, but vegetable oil or even rendered bacon fat can be excellent choices, depending on your dish. For the flour, all-purpose flour is generally recommended for its consistent thickening ability. This simple ratio is the foundation for success. Now let's get cooking. Begin by melting your chosen fat in a heavy-bottomed pan over medium heat. Once melted, gradually whisk in the flour. It's crucial to whisk continuously to prevent any lumps from forming and to ensure the mixture cooks evenly. You'll cook the roux until it reaches your desired color, which can range from a pale white to a deep, rich brown, each offering unique characteristics. The color of your roux dictates its flavor and thickening power. A white roux, cooked for just a minute or two, thickens without much flavor, perfect for a creamy bechamel. A blonde roux, cooked a bit longer, develops a nutty aroma, ideal for velouté sauces. Finally, a dark roux, cooked until deep brown, offers a profound, rich flavor, essential for dishes like gumbo, though it has less thickening power.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.